Hello viewers. Today we will discuss about one new project which name is Sin City. It is one of the best project in 2021. Today we talk about first of all about of this project, game info, staking, exchange and join whitelist. Welcome to the Sen City, your very own rated or metaverse connected around in underworld. So we will discuss about this great project. So the heading is that how to survive and thrive in Sen City. It is a very great and wonderful gaming project. It made a game currency used to play to earn a model based on various underworld. It is a very successful project. In according to my idea, it will get soon a very bright future because it's a very good and great concept. 1500 plots of land consisting of some of the most exuberant city in the world. Join community to one click there to easily join their community to any update you seen very fastly through the notification. And future of the Sen City, metaverse gaming ecosystem and omniverse. This is the future main part which come to this project main idea. Sin City originally began as an undeveloped digital and estate with 1500 parcels and the gaming ecosystem. They made this type of gaming ecosystem which use everyone in 3D action in very easily and low less and good and easy way, and everyone use reality space, the reality games and the very interesting ideas games was coming into their followers and fans. Sen City architecture is designed to provide a base platform for other limited partners. Omniverse is a very good and vanilla network project. It is a very nice and good project. So, land types: private lands, district lands. We first of all we see public road, public lands, and the this is so the district land. The land types means that they use many types of lands on this project concept and idea. This is owned privately by the individual and asset to individual can come together to form a group. So not lost your great opportunity, and please subscribe and join and invest this great and wonderful project. Few days is remaining. And so public road, this is a different from the public land. Everything is mentioned is there. Please read carefully and you understand every part, every point of this great project. A roadmap, we will discuss about the Sin City roadmap, pre-sale, estimated release period, and the ideal launch pad is quarter 2021. NFT marketplace launch, oh nice, they launch NFT marketplace is 2021. Metaverse beta testing is first quarter 2022. You see this taking platform launch is estimated release period, and the entire one central exchange launch of Sen City. It is a very nice and good idea project. It's a very cool and nice idea. So everyone see here. Partners of the partner is that is seen on Yahoo Finance, Coin Telegraph, Bitco, and the seen on and subscribe to our newsletter to stay updated. To so enter your email and join today. This is their social media links. You use that and you convey to his message to their admins, and any update you see very fastly. So you check that game info. Game story is that you see that this is a very nice and good game, the good idea and good game, the metaverse. You check that every point of this metaverse is a very action games, join affections. It is very nice and action related games. he provides to his fans. Hunt are to be hunted and brands are born. Oh, nice! It is a very some interested game is launched into their uh, games pages. So you see here everything is mentioned is there. So we click to staking. You check that reward token is 22.5 million AP 1 to 5%. Lock 90 days, min max non. End date June 29, 2029, 19 days. Download guide to start staking, everything is mentioned is there. Liquidity pool staking, 7 and these staking pools on nice, and these 5 and YCT staking pools, everything is mentioned is there. GTO YCT4, YCT4, this type of games he launched today. And the exchange, this is already listed to PancakeSwap and MXZ. It is very nice and good exchanges are support to this great project. And the whitelisted, we see a join whitelist, join the initial land offering whitelist, and the next one is fill in your details, and the next one is that interview email, everything is mentioned is there. So we come to the main page of the Sensity. So in this project, my opinion is that everyone join and invest to his money in this great project. It is a very profitable in the future, and everyone join this great and good idea concept project. Thank you very much.